Alright, people, welcome to the third series in this Facebook ad account setting up tutorial or training, as you may want to call it. So this is the third video, and then here I'm going to be showing you how to set up your pixel for performance. So you can see now I clicked on pixel, and what I have is joining Restyles doesn't have any pixel yet. So what we are supposed to do now is to create a pixel. We are going to create a pixel. So let's click on add. I'm going to click on add. So once you click on add, a pixel pop-up is going to come up. We're going to have this come up, and then we are going to you are going to see the name of your pixel there eventually, but you can give it another name if you want to, but why not just leave it like that? You'll be asked to enter your website URL. Please don't add your website URL there. Let's continue. We click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to have another icon come up whereby you'll be asked to set up your pixel. So are you ready to set up your pixel, or you want to set it up at a later time? So what we want to do is we want to set up our pixel. So now you might be wondering what a pixel is all about. Now let me tell you what a pixel is all about in a very basic basic way. Now once have any of us been to a vehicle that has an alarm installed on it? Now if a vehicle has an alarm installed on it and you are an intruder, or you are somebody that they ask to go and bring something and you don't know how to handle the alarm, so once you get to the car, you discover that the alarm will start blaring. It will start making a whole lot of sound, just so that the owner, if he is around, can be aware that somebody is already on his be inside his property, which is the vehicle for this particular scenario. And that's what a Facebook pixel is all about. Now we want people to be coming to our website. We want people to be coming to our website and all of that. So, and we must tell Facebook that once this so and so get to my website, please tell me. I want to know. I want you to always track activities of people that are coming to my website and what they are doing on my website. So to do that, Facebook is going to give you a code to put on your website that will enable them to help you track those traffic that you are generating on your website. And that's what a pixel is all about basically. So with the help of pixel, we are able to know when someone is on our website, what the person does on our website, and then we can by that information ask Facebook to do certain things concerning those traffic that we have generated. I hope you understand that. So there are a lot of ways by which you can add pixel, but we have add code using a partner integration. We have manually add pixel code to website and all of that. So the fastest one and the most easiest one for you to do is the one with add code using a partner integration. So just click on add code using a partner integration. So once you click on add code using a partner integration, now you look for the partner that is helping you that you use in coding your website eventually. If it is BigCommerce, Bank, Zogo, Dropper, all of those ones. But for our case, we are running a WordPress website. So we are running a WordPress website. Just click on WordPress. So immediately you click on WordPress, Facebook will give you some set of instructions on how to go about installing the Facebook pixel on your WordPress website. So they ask you to go to plugin. So once you get to plugin, they ask you to install a plugin called Facebook pixel and all of that. So I'm going to show us what to do exactly. So just click on next and click on next. So now they are still showing you how to set it up and all of that. So let me show you what you are going to do. So when you get to the back end of your website, just go to plugins. So when you go to plugin, click on add new plugin. Sorry, I'm having kata. Click on add new plugin. So once you click on add new plugin, so come to this section of the tab that will be loaded up for you. Come to this section of the tab that will be loaded for you. My network is kind of slow and I don't want that. So come to this side and just select Facebook for business. Type in Facebook for business. Facebook for business. No plugin form. Just type in Facebook. Let's see what will come up. It's like I've forgotten the exact name. So Facebook for WordPress, not Facebook for business. Please note that. Facebook for WordPress. So this is what we want to install on our website. Click on install and then click on activate. Click on install and then click on activate. So once it has been installed and activated, the next thing for you to do is to allow it to refresh. Once it has refreshed, so come here and go to settings. So once you highlight on settings like this, you are going to scroll down and then you are going to see Facebook. You're going to see Facebook. So once you click on Facebook, you're going to have something like this load up on your website. You're going to have something like this load up on your website. And once that is done, once you have that load up, welcoming is loaded up, you can see connect your business to Facebook, powerful tools from Facebook and Instagram and all of that. So now you want to notice something. I'm using the same website, the same tab, the same browser on which I'm setting up my Facebook ad account and also installing my Pixel on the back end of my website. So don't open your website on Google Chrome and open your Facebook on Mozilla. It will not work that way. It will ask you to log in again. So please note that. So let's click on get started. So we are trying to install Facebook Pixel on this particular website now. So let's click on get started. Once we click on get started, we're going to wait. So this is going to come up and it's asking us to continue as Johnson eBay. So let's continue. Johnson eBay is the account we are using on Facebook presently. So let's continue. So once we continue, now we are going to see this comes up. So click on continue also. So now it's going to ask you which exact business manager do you want to install your Facebook Pixel on. So you are going to select the business manager. In this case, the business manager is Johnny Restars. Please don't forget that. So click on continue. So once you click on continue, now this is the ad account on which you want to add our pixel. So click on continue again, and then this is the pixel that we want to create. So click on continue and click on this icon, advanced automatic advanced matching. So click on that and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to bring it to this place. So if this is not on, please say yes, but in my case it is already highlighted, so I don't have to do anything there. So just click on next. Then you can see linking WordPress app to Facebook, linking WordPress app to Facebook. So let's hold on while this is done. So our WordPress app has been linked successfully to our Facebook, and that is why we are having this presently. So let's click on done. So let's click on done. So once it is done, this icon is going to go by itself. It's going to go by itself. Please don't close anything while you are at this. Don't close anything while you are at this. Very important. Very important. So once the icon disappears, this is going to come up asking you to agree to share my token with this site. So just click on this and then click on confirm. So let me look for the URL of that website. I think the website is dynamicwatches.xyz. That's the Facebook account, I mean the website we are using presently. So you can see your business is connected to Facebook. So once you have this, it means that your Pixel is already installed on your WordPress website. So let's click on refresh so that we can be sure. And then I'm opening that in a new tab. I want to do something. I want to go to the okay, I want to copy the link URL. So once I copy the URL, I'll come back to my business manager. I'll click on next here. I'll click on next. Then it's going to ask me to send a test traffic to my website. So I'll paste my copied URL. I'll paste it on this particular icon. So then I'll click on send test traffic. Send test traffic. So it's going to try to send the test traffic to the website where we have our Facebook Pixel installed. Now what you are going to notice is that once our Facebook Pixel is active on our website, you are going to see that this thing that has no activity yet will change to active. It will change to active. That tells you that your Pixel has been installed on your WordPress website. So let's just hold on while this comes up. Let's hold on. So you can see that the test traffic too is still loading. So as you can see, what I have there before was no activity yet, but now you can see that it is active. It is active. So you can try it can be writing not active maybe 2 times or 3 times. Just continue to click on send test traffic. If you have followed all of the steps I've showed you the way I've done it, you should have active. You should have active. You must have active. That's it. You must have active so that you don't think it's a try by error thing. You must have traffic. So once we are done with this, the next thing for us to do is to define our conversion. Now let's refresh this page. You're going to see that this guy, this pixel that is on red, was changed to green. It's going to change to green. That tells you that we have installed Pixel on this particular business manager. We have installed Pixel on this particular business manager. So after this, the next thing for us to do is to define our conversion event. We have to define our conversion event. We have to tell Facebook, when somebody reach this particular location on my website, please, I want you to tell me. I want you to always tell me. So for example, we are running an e-commerce website and then we want to sell watches to people. So it means that once they get to our thank you page, we should be notified. That is how we are going to know that these people has actually showed interest in what we want to sell. So as you can see it, the red has changed to green. The red has changed to green. So let's look at how we can divine our conversion. To do this, I always love to go and do it under Ads Manager. So just click on this icon that you have here. Click on this icon you have here, and then right click and set open link. Right click on Ads Manager and set open link in new tab. So right click on Ads Manager, open link in new tab. So this is the first time we are opening our Ads Manager. This is the first time we are opening our Ads Manager. So we are going to tell them we are not doing anything that has to do with politics or focus on advocating for issues of national importance. So just click on no. That's not why we are here. All we want to do is to sell wristwatches. We want to make money via e-commerce. We want to make money. I'm mentioning watches because that's what I sell. Do you understand? There are a lot of other things that can be sold. People sell car trackers, people sell cooker, people sell anything online. So this is how our Facebook Ads Manager looks like. This is how our Facebook Ads Manager looks like. Now remember what I told you we want to do. We want to customize an event that tells Facebook exactly when to take an action, or when to inform us of an action which has been taken on our website. So to do that, let's click on create. Now we are most of the time, in fact all the time, if not 95% of times, we are going to be running a conversion ad, because we are targeting and we are optimizing to get customers, buying customers. So just click on conversion. I will explain in details in the next video the differences between conversion, traffic engagement, brand awareness, reach, and all of that. I will explain that in the next video. Now for the purpose of this video, I want to set up a custom conversion event that tells Facebook when to inform you of an action on your website. So it is loading. So you have all of these load up. Now where we are actually, we actually want to do what we want to do is on the ad set level. So just click on next. Then you should go to the ad set level. Now when you get to the ad set level, you are going to see something here that resembles pixel, or you have it written there as pixel. Now joining Wristhouse pixel. So he's asking us to set up a conversion. Please don't click on set up conversion. Don't click on that. Just come here, click inside this place where you have choose an event, and then scroll down. Once you are doing that, you get to a point where you have define a new custom conversion. Click on define a new custom conversion. Once you do that, you have an icon load up like this. So let's give our custom conversion a name. So for example, let's say we are optimizing for watch buy. So we are optimizing for watch buy and all of that. So let's scroll down. Now it's going to be asking us to enter the URL. Now when I was talking about designing pages and all of that, I mentioned that you needed 2 pages for your e-commerce website if you are selling a single product, and in this case we're selling watches, and then you need your sales page and you need your thank you page. Your thank you page is the page that people get to, that tells you that they are interested in buying your product. If they are not interested in buying your product, they cannot reach your thank you page. So let's go and copy the link to our thank you page and put it here. So once we put it here, we are already telling Facebook that anybody that gets to this page is interested in buying our product. So please send us a notification that they have done that particular action so that we can reach out to them. Do you understand? What we need to do is to copy the URL to our thank you page, of which I've done that now. Copy the URL of my thank you page. So I'm going to put it here. I'm just going to paste it, Ctrl V. I'll paste it there and you can see it's there. So I'll just click on create, click on create, click on create. Now you can see success, my pixel watch by created on Pixel Johnny Restyles Pixel. So that's that about that. So when next I'm running ad, I'm just going to come here and select watch by, watch by, watch by, watch by. So if I'm not going to be making a video on this ad particularly the next time I'm recording a video on how to run Facebook ad, just know that in your case, just create and select. Once you get here, select the name of the specific custom conversion that you have created, and that will be all. Thank you.